Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, we have s squared t with the square root of t squared plus s squared and tx. This is about the read number 2. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about s equal to vt. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have the s over dt. First the derivative of v, we have dv over dt multiplied by t. Later that we do first the derivative of t, we have v. About s, we change by vt. And this one we change by this one. So we have v squared t squared. This one we have v squared t squared. So t squared and t squared we can do about factorization. The square root of t squared, we have t, so we have t squared in here. T and t, we have t squared. So we simplify t squared, and t squared. Next, v squared divided by v. So we have v. And we see that v and v, they cancel. Now I will put v and the square root of 1 plus v squared on the left. dt and t will go to the right. Now we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we will have about the square root of 1 plus v squared. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of t, and we put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by t. So we put this one to replace for v. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.